are chasing waterfalls. We're gonna start with Dix Creek Falls up near Blairsville, and we're gonna see how many we can get to in one day before it gets dark tonight. So the trail brought us to the top edge of the falls, so I decided to come down here, try to get in front of it, because the composition wasn't working up there. So put the camera down here and framed like a lower composition to incorporate this fallen tree that's kind of just chilling. I framed it so that the waterfall was sort of at the top right of the frame, so that it would flow down diagonally across the image. Got a good shot, I'm kind of incorporating these stairs here, and the falls are coming down from about the center of the frame. It's kind of tough to compose because I'm super limited on where I can get to, but I got a decent one, so we're gonna go head up to the upper viewpoint now, the top falls. I just dropped my 6-stop neutral density filter, but thankfully because it's glass it doesn't seem to be scratched. I'll have to do some further inspection of the car. We just found a bonus waterfall. Falls have a pretty unique viewing platform. Usually platforms are off to the side or at the base of it, but this one is like literally positioned right in the middle of the waterfall, which is cool for being in the waterfall, but it kind of sucks because it limits your composition pretty strongly, because you can't shoot from down there because the platform will be in it, in the shot. So I decided to incorporate the platform, the corner of it right here, into the fall. You can see the water rushing kind of around it, since it's such a unique viewpoint. It's hot. So I've got the very bottom edge of the two big falls coming in. You can see it just at the top of the frame, and then it cascades down through the frame, so it's more of a detail. But the lighting is a little more even than it would be to try to capture both of those. Minnehaha. Unfortunately, they have that stupid tree right in the middle, which has ruined all the composition. I got pretty frustrated. Couldn't find a composition, couldn't find something that I liked and that I was happy with. I think it's because when I normally go out shooting, it's one hike, one waterfall, one shot, and then I'm done for the day. Whereas today has been countless hikes, countless waterfalls, trying to be original at each spot, and it's left me empty. I wasn't super happy with what I ended up with. Felt the final image kind of feels not balanced. It doesn't have the right equilibrium to it. So yeah, so I focus stacked an image, threw on a graduated ND filter and a polarizer, and kind of incorporated some roots that were jutting out over the falls, and then kind of had an ultra wide composition. So I got the roots in the foreground leading up to the big falls in the background. But I think I'm done. It's probably a little after 5 at this point, and I'm hungry and tired and apparently empty on the creativity and originality tank. So we'll be going to find some food shortly.